Sorry, friends. While I'm about to conclude, all in sudden there was a failure of network and I could not continue my conclusion part. It's hardly a minute's time. Shankaracharya Bhajagovindam. It gives the total meaning of the life, the stotra or song, whatever one may call it as. Bhajagovindam, Bhajagovindam, Mudamate. Everybody knows this. They might many people might have heard it in the voice of M.S. Subbalakshmi. There, he has given in it a very big message for everybody. That is Bhagavad Gita, Kinchita Dita, Gangajala, Gangajalava Kanika Pita. Bhagavad Gita, Kinchita Gita, Gangajalava Kanika Pita. Mean, if at all you want to take a little of Bhagavad Gita is enough, or a drop of Ganga is enough. That's what is the message he has left. And to conclude, I started with his birth year, place, and I will conclude his disguise. He has not died. Disguise. It happened at the age of 32. So at the age of 7, he entered into sannyasashrama, minus it. 32 minus 7, that will come to 25. Within 25 years, he has done a very big jolt to the history. He has given a very big message in many forms. It's Vedic samskaras. He has devised even Vedic samskaras regionally. Vamachara to some places and to Yajurveda Vidhi, Krishna Yajurveda Vidhi to some other place, Rigveda Vidhi to some other place. So he has devised a technique to retain or to sustain the Sanatana Dharma everlasting. That's one thing, and other one is he has given a very big meaning to the Upanishads. Upanishads, we can call it as theology, the end. It's something like PhD awarding to a scholar, Vedic scholar. So he's given a very big definition of Upanishad Sara, and his Brahma Bhashya, Brahma Sutra Bhashya is utmost important. Brahma mean not a person with white colored beard with four heads. No. Brahma mean it's a gnanam or the gnan mark. It's the truth or the knowledge. Brahma Sutra or knowledge principles. Exact translation will come as knowledge principles. Principles of knowledge. It's very tough to understand, but he has given his own commentary based on which many people have later on made their own books, published it. Of the Prasthanatraya, Gita stood as the core. Srimad Bhagavad Gita stood as the core. That is his life message. And while he is completing his end part, at that time, 6 years prior to that, he stayed at Kanchi. And the last part, he had gone to Mahishpati, near to the Avanti region, which is today called as Avanti Ujjain. Ujjain is a place where, in between Mahishmati and Ujjain, near the Narmada river banks, this discussion held between Shankaracharya, Mandan Mishra or Mundan Mishra or Madan Mishra, whatever the name, that was the conclusion part. Here we can find another mistake in the historical location names. Like if we say Pataliputra, Shankaracharya had been even to the Pataliputra. Pataliputra, we recognize it as Patna. Whereas in Google search, when I was doing it, some people given it as a location name in Pakistan. It's not necessary for me to name that location if we have nothing to do with it. So half knowledge is torn. We are getting corrupted knowledge due to westernization. Let us give it up. Let us dig our own data mining. Let us do our own data mining. We can excavate and discover our own traditions. Thank you very much for listening to me. Thanks a lot. Good day.